Welcome. If you've ever been interrupted by pop-up notifications from Snapchat memories and want to stop them, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to disable those pop-up notifications so you can enjoy a smoother experience without constant interruptions. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your phone's settings. This is where you control most of your app permissions and notifications. Once you're inside settings, look for the section labeled Apps. Tap on it to see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Next, scroll through the list and find Snapchat. Once you tap on Snapchat, you'll enter the app-specific settings. Here, look for notifications and select it to view all the notification options Snapchat offers. Inside notifications, things might look a little detailed, but don't worry. Look for notification categories. This option breaks down notifications into different types so you can manage them individually. Now, under the General category, find the one labeled Memories and tap on it. This section controls how Snapchat Memories sends you notifications. To stop those annoying pop-up notifications, there will be a toggle labeled Show as Pop-up. Simply switch this toggle off. By turning this off, Snapchat will no longer show Memories notifications as intrusive pop-ups on your screen. You can still get alerts silently if you want, but they won't disrupt whatever you're doing. Once you've made this change, you're all set. You can back out of the settings and enjoy a calmer, less distracting Snapchat experience. If at any point you want to enable pop-ups again, just follow the same steps and toggle the option back on. Turning off pop-up notifications for Memories is a quick and easy fix for anyone who prefers more control over their notifications. No more sudden interruptions or distractions. Just Snapchat the way you want it. Thanks for watching.